With over 1,000 plus cryptocurrency exchanges available worldwide, it's sometimes confusing to decide on where to begin. Choosing the right crypto exchange is really important, as it can impact your trading experience, security, and even your potential profits. In this video, we'll break down the best crypto exchanges of 2024 to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, must watch this video because this video could literally save you thousands of dollars. So without any delay, let's get started. Alright, when choosing an exchange, my criteria focus on several key factors to help us make the best decision. First, safety and reliability are really important. We need to ensure the exchange has strong security measures and a solid reputation for protecting user funds. Next, low trading fees are important to save money over time. We should look for competitive fees for both trading and withdrawals. Ease of deposit and withdrawal is another key point. We want a platform that offers a variety of payment methods and quick processing times. Next, a user-friendly interface can greatly enhance our trading experience, making it easier to navigate and use advanced features. Finally, I list exchanges on basis of sign-up bounces and gifts they offer. These promotions can make a significant difference, especially for new users looking to maximize their initial investments. By applying these conditions, we'll find the best exchange to get maximum profit. The number one exchange on my list is PrimeXBT. You may not have heard much about it, but it meets all the criteria. The reason I choose this exchange as number one is that PrimeXBT is specifically designed for futures trading. So if you want to trade with higher leverage, for example 150x or 200x leverage on Bitcoin or other pairs, or if you want to trade on a reliable platform, this could be the best place for you. Through PrimeXBT, you can not only trade all cryptocurrencies, but also gain access to stocks, the forex market, and commodities in the futures market. So it will be the best platform for you if you are a futures trader. If you trade futures on Binance or other major exchanges, they charge a very high amount. However, on PrimeXBT, you pay a very small amount and trade securely. Another major advantage of PrimeXBT is that you can claim a 7% bonus on your deposit. This is possible if you join through my link, which is available in the description. So don't miss out on this opportunity. If you are a futures trader, my number one recommendation is PrimeXBT. For spot trading, let's talk about our second exchange. Bybit. Bybit is a leading crypto exchange known for its advanced trading features and user-centric approach. Here's an overview of what Bybit offers and what sets it apart. Bybit is one of the top 3 crypto exchanges by trading volume globally, offering a robust platform for both derivatives and spot trading. Founded in 2018, Bybit has grown rapidly, attracting a diverse user base with its competitive features and services. One of Bybit's standout features is its high liquidity and low slippage, which ensures efficient trade executions. The platform offers various types of derivatives, including perpetual contracts, futures contracts, and options. Traders can leverage up to 100x on their positions, which can significantly increase potential profits. Bybit's fee structure is competitive, with spot trading fees at 0.1% for non-VIP users and even lower rates for VIP members. The platform occasionally offers zero fees on specific trading pairs and services, adding to the cost efficiency for users. Bybit also provides various promotions and bonuses, such as trading incentives and a VIP program that offers fee discounts and other benefits for high-volume traders. Third, KuCoin. KuCoin is a leading global cryptocurrency exchange known for its extensive range of digital assets and user-friendly features. Here's an overview of what makes KuCoin stand out in the competitive world of crypto trading. Launched in 2017, KuCoin has rapidly grown to become one of the top crypto exchanges, offering access to over 700 cryptocurrency tokens available. KuCoin is highly known for its wide selection of altcoins and competitive trading fees. The platform offers various trading options, including spot trading, margin trading, futures trading, and staking. KuCoin's fees are relatively low, starting at 0.1% for spot trades, and can be further reduced through the use of KCS, the platform's native token. Security is a significant strength of KuCoin. The platform employs stringent security measures, including bank-level encryption, multi-signature wallets, and regular security audits. Despite facing some regulatory challenges, KuCoin has managed to maintain a good reputation for protecting user funds and providing a secure trading environment. Last exchange in our list is Binance. Binance is one of the largest and most influential cryptocurrency exchange globally, known for its comprehensive range of services and user-friendly trading platform. Here's an overview of what Binance offers and why it remains a top choice for traders. Founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao CZ, Binance has grown rapidly to become a leader in the crypto exchange market. It operates in over 100 countries, providing services to millions of users worldwide. Binance offers an extensive lineup of products, including spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, and various passive earning options like staking and savings. Binance is renowned for its low trading fees, which are among the most competitive in the industry. For spot trading, Binance charges a flat fee of 0.1%, which can be reduced further if users pay with BNB. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, with over 350 available for trading. Binance also offers various advanced trading options, including margin trading with up to 10x leverage, and futures trading with leverage up to 125x. These features cater to both beginner and experienced traders. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video on the best crypto exchanges of 2024. All the platform links available in the description, must check it out. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more crypto insights and reviews. Let us know in the comments which exchange you prefer and why. Stay safe and happy trading.